What is up, IHMS? Coming at you live with another MacBook productivity video in 5 minutes or less. And today we are going to be looking at how to organize your desktop using stacks on your MacBook. So, kind of lesson goals for today. There's only a few, and this is going to be a short video, but you're going to learn how to use stacks to basically organize files on your desktop. And you're also going to be introduced to kind of the different ways that you can organize these files on your desktop. So here on my desktop, I've got some different files. I've got my teaching license, tailor-made photo. I've got a PDF here of our ChatGPT presentation. And then I've got some pictures of the goat Tiger Woods, as well as my folders and a little SVG file here. So using stacks is super duper easy, and it is awesome at decluttering your desktop. If you're like me, like after about 3 days in the classroom, your MacBook looks like a stinking messy room, and it kind of drives me crazy. So Stacks is going to take care of that for you. And there's only a few clicks here, so pretty simple. So what you're going to do is go up to View, and you are going to click on Use Stacks. Okay, so right here, Use Stacks, and watch the magic happen. Boom, my desktop is cleaned. And what you'll see is what Stacks does is it basically stacks like files together, and it gives it a title. So here it says images. So it stacked all of my images together. If I want to see all my images, I just click. It gives me every single file. I click again. It kind of stacks them up. Down here, my PDF documents, I click again. Now, one tool that you can use once you have stacks enabled is you can organize them kind of in different ways. Now, I always group my stacks by kind, just so I know my PDFs and my images are all in one spot. But you can see that you can organize your stacks in different ways, like date last opened. Okay, so it'll give you previous 30 days and earlier. You could group stacks by the date you added. So I added all of these today, so it's got everything under today. So different ways to kind of organize your desktop here. Normally, I just stick with kind, so that way I know all my images and PDFs are in the same spot. But that is how to use stacks on your MacBook to kind of declutter and clean up your desktop.